Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Bongnitic, and I'm Pallavi Das with you guys. So welcome back to my channel guys, and if you don't know who am I and you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Pallavi Das and this is my channel, and I make videos like makeup tutorials, reviews, DIY and vlogs. So if you're interested in any of these, then do hit the subscribe button and the bell button beside it so you do not miss any video that I upload, and join my family. So guys, today I am going to share my small review. I'm not going to go in detail review because with the product which I'm going to review, it has millions of reviews. So I'm just going to give my little thoughts about this, and I'm just going to show you this tutorial which I made using these products. So if you want to see the tutorial, then I will be giving the time the timing of the tutorial in the description box, so you do check it. And if you want to see a little bit thought what I feel about these products, then keep on watching. So guys, today I'm going to show you this makeup tutorial, makeup look using these products from Too Faced. So I got these products like couple of months back during my birthday especially. So I got 4 products from Too Faced. So I used all the products in this makeup, so you can see how they work and how the blends and everything in the demo, which I'm going to post right after this. So first I would share my thoughts on the concealer, which is their cult favorite famous concealer, also a very favorite concealer of a lot of YouTubers. So it is their Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is their super coverage multi-use sculpting concealer, and this concealer can be used as a conceal, contour, highlight and retouch. So this is a 15 ml bottle. I'll just show you the inner packaging of the bottle. So here is how the bottle looks like from inside. It's a quite a huge bottle, you can see, and in the outer packaging you can see a lot of stuff is written, like it is written like what it consists of. It consists of coconut water, alpine rose, hyaluronic acid. So all of these is for maintaining your hydration level in your face. So this doesn't like dry out your face as it is said in from the company. So this helps you in keeping yourself hydrated. This is long wearing, this is photo friendly, yeah. So all of these is written over this side of the box, and over the other side it is written in French. So you get one side in English and one side in French, and this is how the packaging looks like. It's very beautiful with pink box and golden and black detailing, and you have your shade name written right over here, so you can check your shade name. So let's come to the main packaging, which is this one, the bottle. It is a glass bottle with a black cap and with golden detailing, and over here it is written Too Faced, and over here it's given the symbol of Too Faced, and the same thing is written in the back of the bottle. Here it's like conceal, contour, highlight, retouch, super coverage and all those things. It is written in English and as well as in French. So, and the shade name is given right over here. So this bottle is of 15 ml, and this is like, it is a luxe brand, but it is like affordable luxe brand, I would say. So this concealer is for 1900, and the applicator is so nice. Like, I'll just show you. It has this doe foot applicator, big doe foot applicator. So it just gives the correct amount of product on your face. It just leaves that correct amount. And this is very nice blendability. The blendability is really nice. You can see in the demo as well. The coverage is quite good. Like, I have not used any foundation today. I have just used this concealer all over my face, like dotted all over my face, and mainly highlighted my under area because I have really bad dark circles. So this does really nice. So I really enjoy using this, but this is because a luxe brand, I use a little bit. So I would give a 5 on 5 on this product. This is really nice. So the next product which I would like to talk about is this one. This is the Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer. I would really say Too Faced has some amazing packaging. You will surely fall in love with their packaging. They're like A-class packaging. So this is the outer packaging. Like, It's really just simple outer, like it's not simple, it's like quite good. And over here you get written matte, and yeah, nothing as such. So that's the thing. And the inner packaging is like super gorgeous. Doesn't this look like a jewelry case? It's so gorgeous. So you get a small heart over here. This is super cute, and you open it like this. It's a magnetic lock. Okay, खुल जा. अरे बाबा. So you open it like this, and you get a full size mirror over here, and here is your bronzer. This is the deep one. Like if you get the milk chocolate, it will be like I am NC 41 to 42, 42 during summers when I get tan, and otherwise I'm NC 41. So this would be the perfect contour for you, contour and bronzer for you. If you get the milk one, it will be really light for you. So I would really suggest to get this one. This is the deeper one, and this smells exactly like chocolate, guys. It is so nice, and I've used this today again to contour my face, my nose, to bronze up. So this is really nice. It really works amazingly. So I would really give a 5 on 5 again, because I just love their packaging, and the product is also really nice, blends amazingly. So I really recommend this to buy. Okay, so this net weight is 8 grams of product, and this retails for something around 2,300. And this is the next thing which I'm going to talk about, which is the diamond highlighter. And this weighs for 12 grams, and this costs for rupees 2,500. The packaging is so amazing, guys. Can you just see the packaging? And if you open this, you get the inner packaging, which is right over here. It comes like this, and it's written, it's your time to shine. So it's basically your time to shine. So if you take it out like this, you get a small pin like over here. It looks like a jewelry case again, and you open it, you get your highlighter over here. Just look at the highlighter, like the shaping and all. It's so pretty. It looks like a gold bar kind of. So it's really pretty. And this is the shade. This is in the shade Canary Diamond. Yeah, this is in the shade Canary Diamond. This has a little bit of chunky glitters. It has a little bit of chunky glitters. I'll just show you. It has a slight bit, but if you are like, if you don't like little bit also glitter in your highlighter, so I would not recommend you to buy this. If you are okay with glitters and all, so you can definitely give this a try. This is such a beautiful product. I've used this today on my this side. I have used spraying a little bit of setting spray, so it gave a bomb look, you can see. And over this side I've just used this one without any setting spray or anything. So I just wanted to try like which one gives a better finish. So I feel using a setting spray on your brush and then applying this gives a more seamless finish. It has a pinkish hint to it, so if you don't like pink highlighters, you won't like this one. So they have other shades, you can definitely go and check it. So guys, now the next thing is one of my most favorite one. This, like, I have gifted this to me on my birthday. So this is the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette, and this is like so pretty. So this is how the back of the outer packaging looks like. The shade name is given. This is just a sticker. There's one more shade over here. So this has a net quantity of, okay, so this has a net quantity of 95 grams, and this is how the inner packaging looks like. Again, the packaging looks like jewelry cases, jewelry box, like that. So again, you have to open it like this. You have a tiny little heart over here, so you open it like this, and you get these gorgeous shades over here. You also get a mirror over here. This is not a full size mirror. This is like a teeny tiny, those retro zamane ka mirror hota tha na, so you get those like mirror dotted over here, designed like that. So you get these beautiful shades over here. So guys, you get 4 pressed glitters in it, which is diamond and breakfast, which is this rose gold, silverish, bronzish kind of glitter. And you get a diamond, and you get a diamond glitterati, which is a maroonish pinkish glitter. And you get a golden glitter, which is fluent in diamonds. and another one is Diamond Life. So one, two, three, four. You get four glitters, and you get one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight shimmers, and you get only four mattes. So I feel if there would be more mattes, it would be more easy to apply, kind of. But if you see this black over here, it shows it has shimmers, but when you start blending it, all the shimmers just vanishes. So that's, I feel that is a good thing, because no one likes shimmers on black, especially if you are doing it on your outer corners or your lower lash line. So I don't think black, glitter black would suit those places. So I would really share some of my favorite shades from this palette. I'll just give some swatches. So one of my favorite shade is Set the Jewel Tone, which is the blue. I used it in the middle. So it is a purple tone blue, I would say. Like, can you see that it has a purple hint to it? Like when you move your hand, you get that purple hint. So it's really beautiful. The next shade, one of my next favorite shade is this. So one of my next favorite shade is this one, which is Clutch Your Pearls. It's really beautiful. It's a pinkish white color. So here you go. This is Clutch Your Pearls. So it's a white base with pink highlights. And another one of my favorite shade is, this is a Filthy Rich. Filthy Rich. This is again a more bronzy copperish color. It's very beautiful. It's like a bronzy golden color, like a deeper golden kind of. And I really like all the pressed glitters. I feel they are really nice, and the mattes are quite blendable, so I do not have any issue with this palette. The only problem which I faced is while applying, I did sprayed my brush with a setting spray to use the shimmers, but it was just not picking up. I feel if you want to use the shimmers or the pressed glitters, use your hands. That's the best way to use this palette. So yeah guys, that was all about my little tidbit thoughts about these products. So I would not blabber anymore, and I would take you straight on the tutorial. So keep on watching guys. And guys, before that, I'm not going to come back. So before that, I just want to say, if you like this video, then do not forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family. Also don't forget to comment down that which of the products you really want to get, or which is the product which is your favorite. So don't forget to comment down, and yeah, do not forget to subscribe and join my family. Also hit the chotu sub bell icon beside it. Till then, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Keep on watching.